Hi guys, in today's video I will be sharing how I made a mannequin head from newspapers. Grab a balloon that size, some measuring tape, some scissors, newspaper, lots of newspaper, some tape, a yogurt cup, an empty one. Blow your balloon and you're going to measure the circumference of your balloon. Then make sure that the circumference of your balloon is the circumference of the mannequin head you want. Like if you want it to be 23 inches, then make your balloon to be 23.5 inches because sometimes it shrinks. Then tie your balloon. Then now it's ready to attach to the yogurt cup. So stick it to the yogurt cup on the closed end using some tape very carefully. And then tape around the base of the balloon to hold it in place on the yogurt cup. This is a very tricky step and this is what it should look like. Now let me explain the procedure for making this happen without the balloon bursting. The technique is to put the tape on the yogurt cup and then bring the tape up to the balloon. If you put the tape onto the balloon and then pull it down to touch the yogurt cup, your balloon will burst like mine did. So, see what I'm doing here? That's wrong because it's going to burst right now. Oh my god. Yep. Whew. Okay. So that's the wrong way of doing it and I've explained the right way. Next, cut your newspaper into pieces, long pieces, specifically like 2 inches wide and as long as you can possibly get them. Then you need to prepare a flour paste for your paper mache. So I put half a cup of wheat flour into a bowl. Then I added maybe a quarter cup of water slowly while stirring, and then you can make it thinner as you progress. So that's my wheat flour and my basin and my spoon. So just get some water, pour it in slowly, mix thoroughly. You want the paste to be sort of milky thin, not super thick, because if it's too thick then you'll run out of paste. If it's too thin it won't stick. Next, you dip your newspaper into the paste and squeeze or pass it between your fingers and then put it onto the balloon and smooth it down onto the yogurt cup. Next, you dip your newspaper into the paste and squeeze or pass it between your fingers and then put it onto the balloon and smooth it down onto the yogurt cup. So here I am grabbing some of my newspaper. So just lay it onto the mannequin head and keep going. Add as many layers as you possibly can. I used an entire newspaper. A newspaper in my country is like 60 something pages, as in fully opened pages. It gets messy, so if you want you could wear gloves, but if you don't mind you can just scrub the dried flour off. Next, you're going to leave your mannequin head to dry in a sunny spot or a warm spot like a vent or a window. I left mine on a balcony that wasn't in use, so it was safe not to be knocked around. It will probably take a few days to dry. And now it looks dry, and let me show you what it sounds like when it's actually dry. To check dryness, tap your fingers against it and it will make a hollow sound. It will make a sound almost like that. Just listen to this next clip. Voila, your mannequin head is done. I'll do a comparison video with a styrofoam head to tell you which is better. I hope this tutorial helps you. Let me know by liking this video or leaving a comment, and if you have a question, leave me a comment as well. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Bye!